Hello. Today, I will be showing you how to download video from X, Twitter easily. First, you need to launch your Twitter application and then look for that video that you want to download here. So here below the video, you will see different options, but what you're going to do is you have to look for the share icon. Let's just say if you wanted to download the video right here, you have to tap on this share icon that is below the video. And then what you're going to do next is you have to copy the link. Once you copied the link, you can now exit your Twitter application and then open any web browser. For this tutorial, I will be using Google Web Browser. Here, I will search for Twitter, download video or download video Twitter. All you have to do is to look for any platform or tool that can help you download any video from your Twitter. Let's just say this one. Click the very first link that you can see here. Next, you go to the search bar or this text box, long press, and then paste the URL or link that you have copied earlier from your Twitter application or Twitter account. Tap on download, then you should see the video right away. Tap the three dots, download the video, and you can now go to your download folder or gallery to see your video. And that's how easy it is to download video from Twitter.